she's dying. Tomorrow they're coming and they'll put the adhesive solution along the edges, and it will actually be fit underneath the stones also. Somehow they'll dry it, put heat to it, and it will be secure. Oh, she's going down. She's down. Yeah. Okay. Success spelled with a capital S. Good.
Baby born.
Yay! Yay! Great. Finizio. There's our little folks breaking up. There the bee, there the bee, there the bee, there the bee.
It's so easy. You guys can just point to your names. I don't have to worry about misspelling them.
Hi, Eagle.
Wow.